You can filter data in an Excel worksheet without creating an Excel table. I have pasted data in another worksheet for demonstration. To filter data without creating an Excel table, click at any cell of header. Then click Data tab. In Sort and Filter group, click Filter button. You can see filter buttons are appeared in each cell of header. To check specific food items, click Food Items button. First uncheck Select All box, then check Chicken Sandwich box. Click OK. You can see 3 items are sold by these customers at that date. To clear filter data, you have two options. Click this button. Either you can clear by clicking this button, or you can clear by clicking this button in Sort and Filter group. I click this button. You can see once again all data is appeared in a worksheet. Now move to Excel table worksheet. So if your sheet has large data, you can filter data in each column header by selecting text, values or numbers. After that, you can redisplay all the records by clicking Clear Filter buttons. Now, if you want to delete table, first select the all data. So click this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Again press Ctrl Shift right arrow. Then click Design Tool button. In Tools group, click Convert to Range button. Again click Yes. You can see filter buttons are disappeared from the header. Click at any cell. Click Insert tab. In Tables group, you can see Table button is visible, but table design is also disappeared. It means table has removed from this sheet, and sheet shows data as a range. To create again table, first select the range. So click this cell, press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Again press Ctrl Shift right arrow. In Insert tab, click Table button. Click OK. Again Design tool is appeared. In this way, you can delete or create Excel table.